Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check built-in Windows product key in your PC or laptop. Microsoft and its partners no longer include stickers and certificates with Windows product keys printed on them since Windows 8.1 came out. Since then, Microsoft has been using a digital license to activate Windows, which makes it easy to reinstall Windows. Let's start by searching for CMD and run CMD as administrator. Type the long command carefully, and then press the Enter key. Here, you can see your Windows product key. I'm using a custom-built PC, but on my laptop, you can see the key is displayed. You can use your key to activate Windows in the settings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.